Welcome. If you want to know how to enable notification sounds for when a user leaves on the Discord app for PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you never miss a moment when someone leaves your server. First, open up the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom left corner. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings menu. Now that you're in user settings, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section called App Settings. Under App Settings, you'll see an option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click on Notifications to access all your notification preferences. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll find a variety of options to customize how Discord alerts you. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Sounds. This is where you can control which activities trigger notification sounds on your device. Look for the option called User Leave. This setting controls whether you hear a sound when someone leaves a voice channel or server. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to User Leave so it turns on. Once the toggle is active, you'll start hearing a sound every time a user leaves, making it easier to keep track of who's coming and going in your channels. And that's it. You've now enabled notification sounds for user leave events on Discord for PC. If you want to adjust other notification sounds, you can do so in the same section. Customizing these settings helps you stay connected and aware of what's happening in your communities, without missing important moments. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most out of Discord.